star heating up, fusion ignites, shining bright, it joins the stellar nights. Main sequence life, just chilling it seems. Burning hydrogen, living star dreams. From a nebula haze to burning in phase. Stars evolve like cosmic DJs. Gravity tightens and heat starts to blaze. Supernova flash at the final stage. Mid-sized star turns to a giant red. Outer layer shed, core not quite dead. Turns into white dwarf, dense and bright. Cooling off slow, fade into night. Massive star, no happy end. Feeds on helium fuel to expend. Iron core can't hold anymore. Gravity wins, let's explode some more. From a nebula haze to burning in phase. Stars evolve like cosmic